Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the two-factor authentication on Ubisoft. Click your account on the upper right, then click on account management. You'll be taken over to the account management page. Click on security on the left. Then here you have two-step verification. Click on activate. And from here, you can send an email. So you can either use this via email or you can use the Authenticator app, which you can easily download from the App or Play Store, right? Now, I'm going to choose, for example, the message option right here where it says email. I'm going to click on that and you will see that it's going to send me a code to my email. So I'm going to head into my email right here and it should send me an email. Let me go ahead and refresh. Should receive a code from Ubisoft. And here you can see that I received the code. Copy that code, head back here and just paste this code and click on submit. And right here you can see that two-factor verification by email is activated. And so you'll be able to use this option to basically verify two-step process from here. And that's it, guys. So if you're looking for how to set two-factor verification, you can use the one for email or you can use the app. But that's all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.